Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we'll be changing our edging blade on our Ryobi expanded edger, and for the job you'll need a 13mm socket, preferably an impact wrench, and our 8x2 edger blade. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers, thanks to all our subscribers. Y'all are greatly appreciated. God bless you all, guys. So when removing your nut from your blade, it's not a right hand thread, it's a left hand thread, which means we'll have to loosen the screw going clockwise. So it's not lefty loosey, guys, it's going to be right to your right to loosen the nut. So let's get that, guys. Here we go. So we just want to remove her lock nut or lock washer or nut, and also this cap, spacer cap. So now we can go ahead and reinstall our new blade, guys. And then we just do the reverse of everything we did. So remember, guys, left to tighten, right to pull the screw. So we just tighten that down. There we go, guys. That's it.